Seafair is a 73-year-old festival in Seattle, Washington that features parades, 4th of July fireworks, Blue Angels, and unlimited hydroplane racing amidst all sorts of other community festivals. Seafair's IT journey in the last few years has been difficult. Our data was all over the place, and it made it very difficult for the team to be able to find anything. Our team was really struggling at just getting things done because they couldn't find the data or that they were making up new data around it. The process with NetTech took us kind of in a different direction on how to be able to get things on a better path IT-wise. The key differentiators of what NetTech's delivered to us is being able to have a game plan in that, hey, this is how we're moving forward, and that we're already on that journey to that our data and where it is now, it's all much easier to find, and that there is a plan, and it's not just a plan that's going to end when we get busy doing festival work. It's going to continue through the festival because there's support on the back end from the team here that can be able to help us with it. The computers and the other hardware we received from NetTech and the support around that hardware has been fantastic. That there's people who answer the phone, who respond to emails, and when there's issues, whether it is with the hardware itself or how do you get Microsoft Teams to do this or whatever the question, they've been very responsive. In our new configuration with NetTech, we have consolidated all of the data into a SharePoint site so that all of the data lives in one place. It also allows us to be able to use the search tool in new ways, to be able to go look for a sponsor by name and be able to go find their agreements for the past 10 years. As a professional technology organization, NetTech has given the nonprofit community the ability to expand their technology use way beyond what they'd be able to do on their small staff and small budgets.